Hello fellow swing traders, and welcome to another video of bullish candlestick signals and chart patterns from bullstock.info. Our video today looks at some of the stocks featured on Bullstock Info that look promising for trade on the last day of September, Wednesday, September 30th. For the complete list of chart patterns, visit us on the web at www.bullstock.info. Alrighty, we'll start with the bullish engulfing chart pattern and preface it by saying we'll go down here and take a look that we always try to, in our scans, find stocks with oversold stochastics. As you can see there, the bottom of your screen, the stochastics oversold, just crossing over, and that is for the symbol EXK, Endeavor Silver Corp. You'll notice it had a lot of sideways trading after the July bounce off the 200-day moving average, moved up sideways, took off again with another uptrend. We've had a pull back to the 20-day moving average. That's your gray line. We have the bullish engulfing that formed today on a down day in the market. So that bullish engulfing is for EXK. Also a metals and mining silver company, PAAS, Pan American Silver, PAAS. Nice bullish engulfing that engulfs two previous days two previous days candlesticks. Oversold stochastics, about average volume, closed right at the 8 exponential moving average. That's your black line, which is pretty close to the 20-day moving average or gray line. So you want to see it get through that 20-day moving average. We have AUY, Yamana Gold. You'll notice kind of a trend here with the metals and mining stocks that had an update today. Big bullish engulfing. Engulfing again two candlestick signals. Pretty much looks just like the previous chart almost that closed near the 8 exponential with the 20-day moving average looming pretty close. And then we'll take a look at BJRI. That's BJ's Restaurants. BJRI. Again, oversold stochastics, heavier than average volume today. And one nice thing we've got here, a couple of nice things. You'll see the 200-day moving average. That's the red line coming just out of the bottom of the chart there, kind of acting as some quasi support. But you'll notice the big gap in the moving averages, which gives us a good profit target to shoot for. Your 20-day moving average is your gray line, and your 50-day moving average is your blue line. And look sideways here, you see that congestion and that support that has been acting there. Move back over here, that's going to be resistance at about the $15.84 mark. So first line of concern there, and then your moving averages would be good profit potential targets for you. So several bullish engulfings to take a look at. All right, and turn our attention to the 3 inside up chart pattern, the 3 inside up. That's a confirmation of a previous day's bullish Harami. We'll start with dry ships. That's DRYS, dry ships, above average volume, stochastics oversold. We get the confirmation today of the Harami yesterday that formed right on support of the 50-day moving average, your blue line. We gapped up above the 50, closed above the 20, also through the 8 exponential. High of the day, though, touched the 200-day moving average. That's your red line. So we do want to see positive open and push through that 200 moving average. Normally, the first time a stock comes up to test a major moving average, as dry ships did here, it's going to fail and pull back. So we want to see that that push through the 200 and continue higher trading. Even if you could only get to the most recent high above 767, still a quick profit potential for you for dry ships on the 3 inside up. Same pattern, 3 inside up, forming for DWA, DreamWorks Animation. Again, above average volume for DreamWorks. And you notice the 3 inside up pattern that formed yesterday was confirmed today in a big way on a down day in the market. We have another one, ACM, almost double normal average volume for them. And another 3 inside up, NMR. And again, as we like to point out on certain charts, look at the gap in moving averages, just a profit potential to your 200-day moving average. Then you have a gap fill at about the 750 mark, which would be coinciding with your 20-day moving average, your gray line, and then further target your blue line, the 50-day moving average. And finally, 2, 3 outside up chart patterns. The 3 outside up. What we like about GRT here, GRT, is that this 3 outside up pattern forming right on support of the 50-day moving average. That's your blue line. So again, what we look for is a lot of probabilities, a lot of factors that are in our favor. We want a candlestick buy signal, which we've got with the 3 outside up pattern. We want to see that forming on support on the 50-day moving average, which it is. We want to see oversold stochastics. We've got them. Like to see above average volume. We're right about average volume on GRT. But again, a lot of the factors in our favor, uptrending stock, etc. GRT, a very nice looking 3 outside up chart pattern. And our final one is UNM. The same thing, oversold stochastics, higher than average volume, the candlestick buy signal forming on support of the rising 50-day moving average. Nice looking 3 outside up chart pattern for UNM. And that's going to do it for our bullish candlestick chart pattern video today. Complex of bullstock.info. We feature just a few of the chart patterns on our daily videos. If you'd like the complete list of bullish candlestick chart patterns, free, just visit us on the web, www.bullstock.info, and of course follow us on twitter.com/bullstock. Thanks for watching, everybody.